What's up? So we got a Wacker neuson here. We have a fuel leak issue. So first things first, you want to check under here where all the fuel lines go. I'm gonna show you my process right now. Okay, we can obviously see we got some kind of oil leak of some kind, or maybe it was a leak at some point. Yeah, it's pretty dirty. Anyways, oh yeah, it's probably from someone filling it up and spilling oil everywhere. So no fuel leaks look like here. There is a big puddle on the ground right there. And if you look underneath it's pretty wet. Oh, what did I do? Anyways, it's pretty wet underneath. So we know for sure there was fuel coming from somewhere, and it is dripping actively right there. Okay, so what I've already done is I've already started up the unit and I'm checking stuff out. Okay, on this particular job site, there was an issue with them overfilling. Right here, overfilling. Obviously, we need a hydraulic cap. But so the next thing you're gonna do, what I was thinking is maybe the filler neck was bad. So you're gonna lift up the cab. To do that, you're gonna have two 15/16 nuts on these. So once you pop this up, you can get to these nuts right here. Pop those nuts off, and then you just lift it up straight on those shocks right there. Makes it pretty easy. Make sure you put your safety bar down right there. Your safety bar down right here. Safety first. So what I did is I checked the filler neck. You can see some rub right here. Sometimes they'll get a hole in it. Checked up to here, nice and tight. If you look down, you can see all the wet, and it's all wet down there. It's all wet. There's puddles of diesel in here. Okay, so whenever I got up here to the front, what I noticed looking at the front of this was when you follow the hoses up, you get all the way up to here, you have your top cap. This thing was like almost all the way off, finger loose. So the plan is right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna have the fueler come out and fill us up after I tighten it down and check the seal's still there. We're gonna have the fueler fill us all the way up over the top to right here. We're gonna see if it leaks out. So if it doesn't leak there, we're good, and that cap just came loose. If it still leaks, we'll have to get a new seal, but I don't believe it's gonna leak, but we will find out in a moment. And just so you know, this is it. It's a SW24. If you don't come out, we're good.
I like it when you're like that.
Yep, we're looking dry. That was it. The cap came loose. Oh.